Hey everyone, this is Brandon with Recast Software. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use right-click tools to view user security groups, add them to a new direct group, and remove them from a direct group. So the way that we'll do that is we'll click on the Users node within Configuration Manager console, search for the user, right-click Tools, Security Groups. At the top, we can see the direct group membership. At the bottom, we can see their nested group membership. And in the bottom right, we can add the user to a new direct group. We'll click on that. I'll search for a group. Search, click to highlight, add a selected security group, click yes. The add was successful, click OK. Close this, click refresh, and we can see the changes. If I want to remove them from a direct group, I can right click, remove from group, click yes, click OK, refresh, and we can see the changes. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. Take care.